There is one mistake I see brands make over and over with video ads, and it is costing them thousands of dollars in wasted ad spend. They're optimizing for the wrong thing. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that. Now, here's the mistake. Brands are spending all their time, energy, budget creating one perfect video ad. They're agonizing over the script, nailing the lighting, making sure the edit is just right. They're investing weeks and thousands of dollars into one video. Then they launch it, and you may know this feeling a little bit too well. It just doesn't work. The click-through rate is low, the cost per acquisition is too high, and they're stuck because they've already spent their monthly budget on this video. And that, my friends, is the problem. They're treating this ad creation process as if they were making a Super Bowl commercial, when in reality, the process is not about one perfect ad. It's actually about testing experiments. If you look at any of the major brands that are winning on social right now, they are not focused on making one perfect video. Just take a look at their meta ad library. They have dozens of variations, if not hundreds. And the focus is to test as many variations as possible to find the ones that will convert and convert with a lower cost per click and a lower cost per acquisition. Now, before I show you the fix, we do need to understand, why do brands make this mistake? And basically, traditional video production, it's so expensive. Thinking about hiring creators that cost maybe a few $100s or a few $1,000s, and then throw in the professional shoots that are gonna cost thousands of dollars, and then the time it takes to edit, plus the money. When you put all of that into making videos, the cost is really high to get the amount of variations that you're gonna need to test at scale. So most brands end up making one video with maybe 2 or 3 variations and hooks and hope that works out. So in the past, the dollar signs really shaped how the brands worked with video. But today, that mindset just doesn't work when you're trying to find what converts, because ads need to be more and more targeted to your specific audience than ever before. Plus, you need to optimize those first few seconds to stop the scroll, and that is not always going to be obvious on your first video. There are so many different aspects that you'll want to test and have variations to see what works and what really stops the scroll and then converts. And the only way to figure this out is with testing. You need to run as many experiments as you can. So here is the shift. Stop thinking about video ads as something you perfect. Start thinking about them as something you test. The goal is not to create the best video you can. The goal is to create 20 videos and see which one performs the best, and then understand why it's performing the best. So that means volume over perfection and testing over guessing. Now, you may already know this and want to do this, but with constraints in budget and other aspects, you might not be able to actually do this. And this is where AI comes in to change everything. When video production used to cost thousands of dollars per video, and now it only costs a few dollars to generate a video with a custom avatar, a custom script, with B-roll and everything you need for a video, this is a whole new market. You can suddenly afford to test 20 variations and build them in an afternoon. And that means costs have gone down, but also production time. And with Creatify, which is a best-in-class solution, you can go from an idea all the way to launch inside the platform. That truly changes everything about how you approach video ads. You're no longer constrained with budget or waiting on long timelines. You can test ads aggressively. Now, let's see how this looks in practice. Inside of Creatify, you have a lot of powerful tools that make this process really easy. The first one I'll mention is the URL to video tool. All you do is paste in your URL, whether it's an Amazon link, a Shopify link, or your website, and it will scrape the page and pull off all the key information, images, video, so that it can use it in your ad creation. Next, you could create product videos from images. If you need to create a beautiful video of any of your products, you can upload one single image and Creatify will create beautiful, elegant, really captivating video of your product. And this is really powerful if you need very aesthetic and beautiful video for your brand. Next, Creatify pulls all the best in market trends and shows you ads that are working for other companies. But they don't stop there. You could actually recreate ads using your product or your service inside of Creatify by finding an ad you love and just hitting the recreate button. Now, if you're trying to create videos at scale, scale, you're gonna need a way to match your target audience's ideal persona. And that means you're gonna need hundreds of avatars to choose from. And Creatify offers that. With over 1,500 different avatars, you could select the perfect one for your target audience. It doesn't stop there. If you also want to upload a custom avatar, maybe of your founder or someone on your team, you could do that as well. And if you want to test out the software for yourself, you could go to that first link down below in the description and get started for free today. Now, even with this technology, let's talk about why brands don't do this. And I think it all comes down to the old mindset that really focused in on quality over quantity. The idea behind this is if we get one great video and that works, it's gonna beat 10 okay videos. But in a world of ad fatigue and the speed people go through content, that process just doesn't work. Even if one great video does convert, you'll need to continue to test and optimize and create new variations quickly. And another reason brands stay away from this is they think they're gonna need to hire 20 creators. And that means managing 20 timelines and spending tens of thousands of dollars. But with tools like Creatify's Aurora model, which allows the tool to have each avatar sync to whatever script you put into it with micro and nuanced emotional behavior and motion in the video, it makes this process actually a no-brainer. And the biggest advantage here is gonna be speed. When your competitors are spending 3 to 6 weeks to produce one video and you could produce 20 variations in an afternoon, you will be able to identify and double down on winners much faster. And that speed is gonna mean you are gonna be years ahead of your competitors in just a few months. You are building, launching, and iterating faster and faster by knowing what to test, how to test it, and being able to do it quickly. If you want to fix this mistake in your business, start testing more variations today. You could use Creatify to create your first batch of videos to start testing with the link down below. You could find what works and then double down on that. All the best brands that are winning in today's world are using systems and methods just like this, and it's time to get started. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.